Welcome to this 2-minute video about using backlog views in SBM. This powerful feature is available to SBM users exclusively in Serena Work Center. Backlog views provide a way to organize, prioritize, and monitor work items for a specific time period, such as an agile sprint or a product release. Backlog views use feeds to determine which work items are possible backlog candidates. To work with backlogs, you should first add them to your menu. For this example, we'll add an existing backlog to our home menu because it contains feeds from 2 different applications. Select the view to run it. As you can see, I have a total of 37 candidates for potential work. I can filter the backlog list to the work items I care most about, which are the defects and enhancements in the Issues application. Because I'm a backlog collaborator, I can accept and prioritize items in a backlog. I can accept items to the top of the priority list, to the bottom of the priority list, or in a specific priority order. I can also choose to accept all items into the backlog at once. As work is completed, I can use progress reports to monitor the status of my backlog. First, the backlog summary gives me a high-level view of work items I own, along with the information about the completed and remaining work for the backlog. The burn down section shows the amount of work remaining in each feed for the backlog period. Ideally, each line should trend downward and be at 0 at the end of the backlog period. The burn up section provides a view of total and completed work for each feed. Ideally, each line in the graph converges at the end of the backlog period. Scroll down to see feed metrics for the total number of candidates in the backlog and the number of accepted items. The last report shows a number of work items assigned to members of resource teams and the estimated amount of work for each team. As you can see, backlogs provide visibility into a team's work and enable team members to focus on the highest priorities. To learn more about backlog views, look for the video titled Creating Backlog Views in Serena Work Center.